Look at me. If you are retired, or if you are standing right on the doorstep of your retirement years, I need you to listen to me right now. You have worked 40, maybe 50 years to build your nest egg. You have sacrificed, you have saved, and you have done everything right to make sure that you are safe and secure in this chapter of your life. And now, you are looking at the digital world, you are looking at cryptocurrency, and you are asking yourself a very serious, very smart question: who is the founder of Bifrost Wallet? You are asking this because you know that in the world of money, you never, ever trust a stranger blindly with your hard-earned cash. You want to know who is behind the curtain. You want to know if they are legitimate, if they are safe, and if they can be trusted with the wealth you spent a lifetime protecting. So let us get straight to the facts, with zero fluff. Bifrost Wallet was not created by a mysterious, faceless shadow in a dark room. It was built and founded by a technology company called Towo Labs, which is based out of Stockholm, Sweden. The co-founder and chief executive officer of Towo Labs is a man named Marcus Alvila. Marcus and his team didn't just wake up one day and decide to build a random app to take people's money. They are open-source blockchain infrastructure developers. In fact, before they even launched Bifrost Wallet, they caught the attention of major players in the financial technology space. They were actually backed and funded by Xspring, which is the investment arm of Ripple, one of the largest cryptocurrency projects in the world. Their initial job was to build high-grade security firmware for hardware wallets to protect digital assets. They are so obsessed with security that they actually operate some of their core technology infrastructure out of a decommissioned underground nuclear bunker 30 meters beneath the streets of Stockholm. Now, knowing that Marcus Alvila and Towo Labs are the creators might give you a sense of relief. It sounds professional, it sounds secure, and it sounds corporate. But I need you to pause right here, because this is where the real danger lies for your retirement if you do not understand how this technology actually works. The biggest fear you should have right now is not who Marcus Alvila is. The biggest fear you should have is understanding the concept of custody. You see, when you put your money into a traditional bank like Chase or Bank of America, the bank is the custodian. They hold your money. If the bank gets robbed or goes under, you have the government backing it up to a certain amount. If you forget your password, you call the bank, you show your ID, and they give you access back. Bifrost Wallet does not work that way. Marcus Alvila and Towo Labs created what is known as a self-custodial wallet. Do you hear those words? Self-custodial. That means Towo Labs does not hold your money. Marcus Alvila does not have a master key to your digital vault. There is no customer service phone number in Sweden that you can call if you mess up, begging them to reset your password and give you your money back. When you use an app like Bifrost Wallet, the founders have essentially built a digital leather wallet and handed it to you. If you put cash inside a leather wallet and drop it on the sidewalk, you cannot call the manufacturer of the leather wallet and blame them for losing your money. It is the exact same thing here. This is why so many retirees get hurt in the digital asset space. They assume that because a company is reputable, the company is watching over them. No. You are watching over yourself. So the real question you need to ask yourself today is not just who founded the wallet, but are you ready to be the sole guardian of your own wealth? Because the moment you set up that wallet, the system is going to generate a list of words, usually 12 or 24 words, called a recovery phrase or a seed phrase. That phrase is the actual money. It is the absolute key to your digital vault. If you write those words down on a piece of paper and you lose that paper, or if you take a picture of it with your smartphone and a hacker gets into your phone, your retirement money is gone. And it is gone forever. No one can reverse it, no one can track it down, and the founders in Sweden cannot save you. I want you to be powerful with your money, and being powerful means being honest about what you can handle. If you love the idea of using Bifrost Wallet because it lets you earn yields on assets like Flare or XRP, or because it has top-tier security screening built into it to block malicious websites, that is fine. The technology is brilliant. But the actionable takeaway for you right now is a rule you must promise me you will follow. If you choose to use this wallet, the very first thing you do is take that recovery phrase and write it down with ink on physical paper. Do not type it into your computer. Do not save it in your email. Do not text it to your kids. You keep it completely offline. You put that piece of paper in a fireproof safe or in a bank safety deposit box. You treat that piece of paper like it is the physical deed to your home and every single dollar you have to your name. You must also understand that because the founders built this as an open gateway to the decentralized financial world, you are exposed to temptations. You might see opportunities inside the wallet's browser to invest in things that promise massive returns. If it sounds too good to be true, it is an absolute trap. Guard your cash with your life. Marcus Alvila and Towo Labs did their job. They built a powerful, highly audited, secure tool that does exactly what it is supposed to do. But a tool is only as safe as the person holding it. If you do not have the discipline to secure your keys, or if you are easily confused by digital technology, then you have no business putting your retirement funds into a self-custodial wallet. It is far better to stay safe, stay secure, and keep your money where you can sleep peacefully at night. You have worked too hard to lose your freedom in retirement over a digital mistake. Be smart, be safe, and protect what is yours.